Hi everyone, it's Allison from your Wellness Center, licensed cosmetologist and esthetician. I'm here to walk you through my daily skincare routine. Step number 1, as you can see, I've already washed my face, but normally I use my favorite cleanser. This is from the Skin Better line. It's called Oxygen Infusion Wash. I love it because there's a burst of oxygen in it. It really foams up on the face. It's for normal to oily skin. I'm also very acne prone and I find that it helps with my acne. Okay, step number 2, Autodefense from Skin Better. So this actually helps calm redness in the skin and it delivers over 19 antioxidants. What you do is you use 2 pumps. I kind of put it right here on my fingertips. 1, 2, close the lid and put it on. All over your forehead, all over your face. And you can kind of rub it even down on your neck and into your chest if you'd like. Step number 3, also from Skin Better, it's called Infused Face and Neck. So this provides a layer of breathable moisture on your face. It also lifts and firms. It's great for the neck too. Again, open 2 pumps. I use 2 because I use it on my neck. And all over the face. Forehead and down into the neck. This helps from the neck and it also helps with these lines that I also suffer from. Step number 4, this is Elta MD UV Elements. This is an SPF, obviously for the face. It's oil free and it provides moisture from hyaluronic acid, one of my favorite products ever. This also has a nice tint in it to help cover up and blend in to any skin tone. As you can see, it gives off a really nice dewy finish. Alright, so that was my last step. As you can see, my skincare routine is fairly simple. Sometimes in skincare, less is more. Not everything works for everybody and you have to find what works best for you. Sometimes with the Elta MD sunscreen, I will actually put in some of my foundation and then apply my makeup as needed. If you're looking for a skincare routine that best fits you, we can help you. Give us a call here for a free skincare consult at 513-791-9474 option 2.